Gusto mo ba ng bahay na malapit sa main entrance at malapit sa amenities? Good news kabahay! Dahil nandito na ulit ang pinaka-spacious na townhouse sa Tansa, Cavite na may provision for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath at may malawak na carport. Guess what? Nagbabalik na nga ang Sapphire Residences located at Barangay Santol, Tansa, Cavite. May 52 square meter na lot area and 58 square meter ang floor area. May provision for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, at malawak ang carport. Super accessible din sa Metro Manila at malls. Kaya kung gusto mo ng bahay na spacious at along the highway at very accessible to Manila, message me now for more details and pre-site viewing. My name is Limol de la Cruz, your partner in finding your dream home.